Number 1. Get depressed. It means to become very sad or disheartened.
He tends to get depressed in winter. He tends to get depressed in winter. Many people get depressed due to loneliness. Many people get depressed due to loneliness. She got depressed after hearing the bad news. She got depressed after hearing the bad news.
Number 2. Get a diploma. It means to complete a course of study and receive a diploma.
He worked hard to get a diploma. He worked hard to get a diploma. She's excited to get her diploma next year. She's excited to get her diploma next year. Many students aim to get a diploma in nursing. Many students aim to get a diploma in nursing.
Number 3. Get a divorce. It means to legally end a marriage.
After much thought, they decided to get a divorce. After much thought, they decided to get a divorce. He got a divorce last summer. He got a divorce last summer. It's tough when parents get a divorce. It's tough when parents get a divorce.
Number 4. Get divorced. It means the act of completing the legal process to end a marriage.
She got divorced and moved to a new city. She got divorced and moved to a new city. They got divorced after 2 years of marriage. They got divorced after 2 years of marriage. Getting divorced was a difficult decision for him. Getting divorced was a difficult decision for him.
Number 5. Get an education. It means to attend school and learn valuable knowledge and skills.
Everyone deserves to get a good education. Everyone deserves to get a good education. She moved abroad to get a better education. She moved abroad to get a better education. Many people get an education to improve their lives. Many people get an education to improve their lives.
Number 6. Get the flavor of. It means to start to understand or experience the essence or feel of something.
Traveling helps you get the flavor of local cultures. Traveling helps you get the flavor of local cultures. You get the flavor of a novel in the first chapter. You get the flavor of a novel in the first chapter. I quickly got the flavor of the new job. I quickly got the flavor of the new job.
Number 7. Get a grade. It means to receive a particular level of mark or evaluation in academic work.
He was happy to get a good grade. He was happy to get a good grade. You need to study hard to get better grades. You need to study hard to get better grades. She got the highest grade in her class. She got the highest grade in her class.
Number 8. Get impatient. It means to become annoyed because something is taking too long.
She gets impatient waiting for slow websites. She gets impatient waiting for slow websites. He gets impatient when flights are delayed. He gets impatient when flights are delayed. Drivers often get impatient in traffic. Drivers often get impatient in traffic.
Number 9. Get the impression. It means to begin to think or feel something based on observed actions or words.
I got the impression she was unhappy. I got the impression she was unhappy. He got the impression that the meeting was urgent. He got the impression that the meeting was urgent. You might get the impression that he's unfriendly. You might get the impression that he's unfriendly.
Number 10. Get involved. It means to participate actively in something.
She likes to get involved in community service. She likes to get involved in community service. It's good to get involved in school activities. It's good to get involved in school activities. They got involved in the project early on. They got involved in the project early on.
Number 11. Get a place. It means to secure a spot or position in a program, school, or housing.
She got a place at her favorite university. She got a place at her favorite university. They finally got a place to live downtown. They finally got a place to live downtown. He got a place in the new training program. He got a place in the new training program.
Number 12. Get to the point. It means to directly reach the main topic or important part of a discussion.
Please get to the point during the meeting. Please get to the point during the meeting. He never gets to the point when he talks. He never gets to the point when he talks. In emails, it's best to get to the point quickly. In emails, it's best to get to the point quickly.
Number 13. Get pregnant. It means to conceive a child.
She was excited to get pregnant last year. She was excited to get pregnant last year. Many couples try for years to get pregnant. Many couples try for years to get pregnant. They planned carefully before deciding to get pregnant. They planned carefully before deciding to get pregnant.
Number 14. Get a qualification. It means to achieve a certification or degree from an educational institution.
He got a qualification in digital marketing. He got a qualification in digital marketing. Getting a qualification can improve your job prospects. Getting a qualification can improve your job prospects. She's studying hard to get her professional qualification. She's studying hard to get her professional qualification.
Number 15. Get a really good deal. It means to make a purchase at a significantly reduced price.
They got a really good deal on the new car. They got a really good deal on the new car. At the sale, she got a really good deal. At the sale, she got a really good deal. I always look to get a really good deal online. I always look to get a really good deal online.
Number 16. Get started. It means to begin doing something.
Let's get started on the project right away. Let's get started on the project right away. He got started with his homework early. He got started with his homework early. They got started late but finished on time. They got started late but finished on time.
Number 17, get upset. It means to become distressed or agitated.
She gets upset over small things. She gets upset over small things. Don't get upset if things don't go as planned. Don't get upset if things don't go as planned. He got upset during the discussion. He got upset during the discussion.
Number 18, get violent. It means to become physically aggressive.
The protest got violent after the altercation. The protest got violent after the altercation. He can get violent when he's angry. He can get violent when he's angry. Situations can get violent without proper management. Situations can get violent without proper management.
Number 19, get in someone's way. It means to obstruct or hinder someone.
Please move, you're getting in everyone's way. Please move, you're getting in everyone's way. He got in her way while she was cleaning. He got in her way while she was cleaning. Don't get in my way when I'm cooking. Don't get in my way when I'm cooking.
Number 20, get off on the wrong foot. It means to start a relationship or interaction poorly.
We got off on the wrong foot yesterday. We got off on the wrong foot yesterday. It's hard when you get off on the wrong foot. It's hard when you get off on the wrong foot. Let's not get off on the wrong foot with them. Let's not get off on the wrong foot with them.
Number 21, get off to a good start. It means to begin an activity or process in a promising manner.
We got off to a good start this semester. We got off to a good start this semester. The project got off to a good start. The project got off to a good start. They got off to a good start with their presentation. They got off to a good start with their presentation.
Number 22, be given the chance. It means to be offered an opportunity to do something.
She was given the chance to lead the project. She was given the chance to lead the project. If given the chance, I would travel more. If given the chance, I would travel more. He was given the chance to prove himself. He was given the chance to prove himself.
Number 23, give credit. It means to acknowledge someone's contribution or effort.
Always give credit where credit is due. Always give credit where credit is due. She forgot to give credit to her co-author. She forgot to give credit to her co-author. We must give credit to the team for their work. We must give credit to the team for their work.
Number 24, give a cry. It means to shout or scream, often due to surprise or excitement.
He gave a cry when he saw the spider. He gave a cry when he saw the spider. She gave a cry of joy at the news. She gave a cry of joy at the news. The audience gave a cry when the lights went out. The audience gave a cry when the lights went out.
Number 25. Give feedback. It means to provide constructive criticism or comments on someone's work or performance.
Please give feedback on my presentation. Please give feedback on my presentation. The teacher gave feedback to each student. The teacher gave feedback to each student. It's important to give feedback after the trial run. It's important to give feedback after the trial run.